yesterday, I learned how to solve the Rubik's Cube. So now I can do it, but it takes me a really long time. So I'm gonna shuffle it up real quick. Right. So it's all scrambled or shuffled, I don't know what you would call it. And now I'm going to solve it. I don't know how to teach, but I'll just solve it to just show that I can do it. I'm not gonna brag. Nope, not at all. Right, so I learned from JPerm, thanks. His channel is in the description. Right, so first I'll get the edges. Oh my god. But first I'll get the edges in the yellow. That's what I always do. Then I just solve the white cross. There, I have the cross and its edges are perfect. Alright, so next we're gonna solve its corners. Blue and red. So it's one. So we got two here, which are in the middle. So we'll just fix that. Right, so this should go here. It goes here. Got another corner here. It's blue and orange, so just do that. And we have two more corners, both of them are in the middle too. So we'll just fix that up real quick. This should go here. Not again. Alright, this edge is wrongly placed. Just fix that ever. And this one goes here. There. And we got the white face with the corners and edges in the right places. Right, so next we're gonna do the second layer. Okay. Man, taking so long. It's been 2 minutes already. Right, set. Oh wait, there's one more. It needs switching. And we are done with the second layer. As you can see, the white face and half and right, never mind. So next we're gonna solve the yellow cross, which is already almost done. We're just gonna do that and we're done. Yellow cross. Oh my goodness. And then I hate this part the most. And that should work. There, wait. Oh crap. I will just do that again, I guess. Because I did it wrongly. There, that should do it. Yeah, I did. Alright, so next is the corners. Wrong, 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 and wrong. Right, nice. This is still wrong. This is still wrong. This is still wrong, and this is also still wrong. Wait, this is right. All the others are wrong, so we just do that again. And there. Everything is right, and then we just solve it. wait. Oh. Right, it's solved. Took me 4 minutes. Right, that's it. Just want to show you that I can solve Rubik's Cube. So that I'm smarter than you. So I can prove to you that I'm smarter than you think I am. Bye.